So I'm Darren from GeeTee Signs and I'm an account director here. So we produce everything from internal to external signage, illuminated, non-illuminated, large format, directional signage from a varied range of different materials. GeeTee Signs has been operating since 1978 and the thing that actually sets us aside from the rest of the guys in the industry is the service that we provide to our clients. So we had to look at new CNC routers. The antiquated ones we have, one of them's 25 years old, one was 20 years old and one was 17 years old. And we was noticing in the industry we're starting to lag behind on the services we could offer, the products we could offer and the speed that our machines could run at. We needed something faster that could do more. So the reason we've opted for a Kimla is the quality of the machine. We went over to Daltons factory. They showed us the materials we use, which we took over with us along with files, and they showed us what the machine could do in real world conditions, what we'd be using it for back at our base. So the main materials that we use the new CNC for is aluminium, various different thicknesses, everything from 1.2mm up to 10mm. We cut acrylics of all different types and colours, everything from 2mm again up to a 30mm block acrylic. We cut materials called Foamex, which we generally use for backing inside signs and to hold light trays. And what we didn't use our old machines for because of the extraction was MDF, but this gives us the option to cut MDF as well. This one's going to more get into prototyping, so our old machine wasn't really capable of doing decent prototypes because there was too much finishing afterwards. The new Kimla takes that away, so there's a lot less finishing and its production time, speeds and quality is much better. So the key benefits that we've got from the new Kimla CNC is, again, the speed, the materials it can cut, the quality of the cut and the ability to send our files straight through our network as opposed to having to put it on memory sticks and physically take them down to the old CNC machines we had. The support and backup for our business is unprecedented. We actually do need it because if that machine goes down, then we can't produce anything that's CNC, and most of our work has got CNC cutting in it somewhere for every client. Every time we've rung Daltons, we've got great service. Every time we've ordered something, it's come promptly, and the guys on the other end of the phone are brilliant. The guys needed no help with the installation. All they asked us to do was make sure it was clear, make sure we had the three-phase sockets in, the network connections. They worked around us, so if we needed to get something that they was blocking our rack, they stopped, they waited for us. And they did it promptly. And as they were installing it, they were showing our guys bits and bobs that we didn't see during training, so it was really helpful. So I would recommend Kimla that Daltons supply. It's a brilliant machine. It does everything we need to do, especially in this industry and more. And the service we get from Daltons is brilliant.